Woo, stay up, stay up. Well, folks, welcome back to my channel, Fishing with Angel 903. This morning we're gonna be fishing Lake Bob Sandlin. It's a huge lake, and I'm only on my kayak, so I'm only gonna do a little bit of just this one portion that you see back here. I was gonna hit this portion up that I've always seen no boats out here, but as you can tell, there's already one leaving the area. So I'm pretty sure they already knocked out all the fish around here. So I'm gonna probably just scoot on over that other end back there. I've never really seen too many boats fish that area. But then again, I don't really come out here that much. It's like I said, it's just a huge lake, and it's only me and my feet pedaling, you know. Nope. So well, stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we get today. I'm kind of figuring out why there's not a lot of boats around here, because man, it's only like 1 foot deep all around this area. Be throwing around what's left of this trench hog now. I threw one cast out and actually did get a bite. I didn't get it on camera, but they already took off the appendixes on this thing. So there's gonna be fish out here. It's just a matter if we can catch them. Well, guys, as soon as I was turning around, got a little dinker. Little bitty guy. Come on, get you off. I don't want to get pulled into whatever that is. Oh no. Yeah, little bitty guy. Let him go. Got this little place he was going. Oh no, I can't. No, he's still. He's a fighter. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here. Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth. Oh. On the trench hog. That's a good sized fish. Oh, I can't get it out. Nice fish. Skinny. Skinny little thing. We'll take them. A 17-incher. Weighs about 2 pounds. Yeah. We got a scale. I'm gonna get those numbers to get brighter. So I don't want it to zero it out. Yeah, 2.6. Good fish. Nice fish. Kiss for good luck. Kiss for good luck. Ooh, look at the mouth on him. Yeah, buddy. Now let me go. Don't forget to subscribe. Fishing with Angel 903. Where's that? Hey. Bye bye. Thanks for letting the people know. Get out of here. Like you said, folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get those subs up so we can get more awesome giveaways. Oh, it's a pretty good one. Come on. Oh, dang it. He got off. He got off, but got off. I should have kept him on this left side. I'll try to bring him on my right side to get him, but oh well. That's the one that got away. He was small. He's about a 1.5, He was about a 2-pounder. I'm gonna say it was a small. It felt really good. What are the chances we get him again? Tore up this trench hole over here. Trench. Let's see if we bite again. Yep. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's running again. Stay down. You're not gonna get away from me this time. Yeah, it was the same one. Look at it. It was. Come here. Settle down. Yeah. He wanted that trench hog. Look at that. Woo, about 15 inch, 14, 15. Probably about close to 2 pounds. I'll let him go. He's definitely smaller than the last one we tried. Not gonna even bother weighing him. Oh, he wanted that trench hog. Oh, this is a good one. Stay down, fishy. Oh, he got away. Oh my gosh, that was a big one. That was a hog, guys. That was a hog. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. He got away. Destroyed this trench hog. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Get it again. I should. Oh my god. Man, they are some fighters in this little lake. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see how that one fought? I try to keep it down, but man, he got off. There's a snake. Oh gosh, I hate snakes. It's going out that way. It's following me. Or actually I'm following it, but it's going my way. I hope it, come on, man. I hate snakes. As long as it stays on the edge over there. Hopefully there. The only thing I think it's a water moccasin. There's some stripes on it. Let's get away from it. I was gonna fish this little bank area right there, but I'll let you have it, snaky. I'll let you have it. Just get away from me. Broke me off. Oh my gosh, that was a monster. He broke me off. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a big bite. Yep, broke me off. Every time I try to throw it around this place again, guys. Down to my last lunker log. Not lunker log, a trench hog. And I don't have any more weights. I do have some, but they're not, I don't know, I may just tie it up. I don't really like to throw the stuff weightless, but we'll see. Let's see if this thing will bite. Whatever it was, it broke me off. Fish. Oh, he's a fighter. I tied on the YotoWorm, and sure enough it did. YotoWorm, guys. Yes. I'm out of trench hogs, and Mondo worms, but the YotoWorm, guys, is effective. Jeez, got them good. There it is. The YotoWorm, guys. It's another good weapon. Ooh, nice little fish. Small guy. Got dirt on him. I guess he was over there in the dirt. Let him go. The YotoWorm. Usually I use it on trailers as a trailer, but you know what? I said, why not? Let's throw it as Texas rig. Oh man, I got my reel. Alright, let's keep on fishing, guys. I still haven't even made it to my juicy spot. I think there's a lot of boats still out here. They're leaving slowly. They probably already demolished all the fish over where I was going. Man, it is hot. I left my water in the truck. I wonder how good this water is. I'm out of weights, so all I had was these little clamp weights. So I got 2 of them on there. I can't, for some reason, I don't like fishing weightless Texas rig. I have to have some weight on there, so I know that it's falling to the bottom. Just drag it. Sorry I'm not getting all the hook sets, guys. It's just that I have the wrong SIM card, and this SIM card does not have a lot of memory. So I have my GoPro off as much as I can. Next time I will be prepared. So stay tuned. See if we catch any more. I done lost count. I think we got like 4, 3, 4. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look at the video. But alright, guys. Keep on fishing. I'm running out of time here. Probably only got about 45 minutes, and still haven't even made it to where I was wanting to originally fish. Looks like all the boats are gone. Oh, there's still two out there, but they're not in my spot. So let's give it a shot. Woo, still. Ah, come on, big baby, come on. Oh, come on, come here. Ah, don't. Stay. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, boy. Woo. Big Bertha right here. There it is, folks. Woo. One I've been looking for. Look at that sucker. Man, look, I got hooked right on the top of the mouth. The YotoWorm. Coming in clutch. Yes, sir. Woo! Let's reel this out. About 4-pounder. Not quite. He's long. 3.7. 3.7. Woo. He's long though. But he's about 18 or 19 inches. goodness, yeah, a little over 19. Woo. Hey buddy, want to see more fish like me? Subscribe, Fishing with Angel 903, buddy. Yeah, look at that butte. Total hog right there. Oh man. Sorry, got the top of your little nosy there. Man, let's let him go back to where he was. Come on, guys. See what it is. Woo! That was awesome, folks. Oh, the YotoWorm. If y'all ain't got one. How heavy? It was 3.7. Yeah, it was really nice. 19 inches. And some golfers asking me how big it was. They saw me pull it out. I'm telling you guys, this is my spot. This is my spot. I'm glad the boaters didn't take. I'm glad they didn't. I'm glad they did not finish all the fish. But I've seen them fish in this area earlier. I was hoping they didn't take all the fish or wear them out. This is my spot. All right, guys, let's stay tuned. See if we can get something bigger. I know there's bigger fish out here. That was the biggest ones we've gotten so far. I wanted them some YotoWorm. The YotoWorm. I hadn't fished the YotoWorm in a while since I've had a lot of luck with the Mondo worm and the recently started fishing the trench hog. But yeah, guys, it's good to have the YotoWorm in the arsenal. I said I ran out of both of my other stuff, so why not throw that YotoWorm? It has a nice sound to it. YotoWorm. Oh, another good one, guys. Another one. Stay down. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, he's a fighter. Another one. Oh, he took all of that one. Woo! Woo! He's not as big as the other one, but here's another good one. Ah, dang, that hook got him. Man, they've been getting hooked pretty good. To where I can. Come on, get this off. There you go. He's not as big as the other one. But oh man, another little good 2-pounder, little fat toad. The YotoWorm. We love us some YotoWorm. Let's go. Let you go, buddy. Woo, nice playing with you. Oh man, guys. I do have another YotoWorm here as a trailer, I think. Oh, I do have YotoWorms in here. The arsenal. Man, folks, the YotoWorm. That's all I gotta say. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it, but they're magic. They're magical. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Another good one. Oh, barely got him on the lip right there. Another little 1-pounder. Not too bad, not too shabby. Get on out, yo. I want a big one. The YotoWorm. The YotoWorm. Coming in clutch. Sorry guys, probably annoying the heck out of y'all. But man, after a morning I had at the other lake, Ooh. It's just bad. Oh, come on, YotoWorm. YotoWorm! The YotoWorm! The YotoWorm, stay there! Woo! There. God, that's another good one. That's a good one. Woo! The YotoWorm. Ah! Oh yeah. Another 2-3 pounder. A 2-pounder, I'd say. Woo! Oh, the YotoWorm. The YotoWorm. This one I'm gonna measure. Get a weight on them. Calm down. No, 17. Oh! Oh! Calm down, feisty. Calm down, feisty. 0, babe. Ah. You feisty. You feisty, huh? Yeah, he's about 2-2. 2-2. Ah, the YotoWorm. I like you, the YotoWorm. Looks delicious. Oh, man. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, YotoWorm. Oh, man, this is awesome. Woo. My time is running out, but I don't want to leave. They're biting. The YotoWorm is doing its thing. And my little weird rig weights there. Because, guys, like I told you, I don't like throwing it weightless. Gotta have some weight to it for me to, I don't know, feel comfortable, I guess, with it. I don't know. I mean, I'm for sure that it's going on the ground and these fish are picking it up on the ground. The YotoWorm. Woo, that was good. At least I'm getting some hook sets for y'all guys, and not just. I said I don't know how much time I have left on this SD card, but man, I don't even know how many fish that is. That's a good little amount of fish. They're not all as big as I want them to be, but hey, anything's better than nothing. Especially since I haven't really fished much. We've been, we filmed the giveaway stuff and all that, so. These fish, boy, they run. They feisty. Uh-oh, the YotoWorm. Somebody wants to bite the YotoWorm again. Oh, no, he didn't commit. My reel is starting to sound like garbage since it got wet. Ooh, it's a hot day out. I think it's just a little guy. Doesn't want to commit. Let's move on. Hey, there's another snake right there. Oh God, can I see it? It's scary. Oh God. Oh God. Don't go this way. She's looking at me. Oh gosh, give me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah, got a good one. Got a good one. Got a good one. Got a good one. Oh, barely have. Come on. Oh, don't jump. Jump in the boat. Jump in the boat. All right. Ooh, a little Get him here, little guy. Get a dome on him. Good little guy. Well, folks, thanks for hanging in there. It was a long day, long good day of fishing. It turned out to be really good. We caught lots of fish. I think about 5 or 6. I lost count. 2 good ones, 2 long ones, 3 and 3-pounder and 2 something. The rest one was another like 2s and 1s. But I mean, hey, we're catching fish. YotoWorm came through. The YotoWorm, guys. That's one of the ones I haven't used in a while, but I mean, it's always a good bait as a trailer or Texas rigs like I'd use. So now, time for me to get off of here and go resupply, because I broke off a few and ran out of weights and all that kind of stuff. So I gotta hit the store and go resupply, because I got a tournament coming up this weekend. So it's the Bass Pro tournament. It's gonna be a big prizes if we do win. Me and my partner up with my buddy Lonnie. I'm gonna do that somewhere north of Denton. Can't remember the lake name, Ray something or another. But stay tuned, guys, and we will I will upload that video this weekend. When I'll start filming, and hopefully we do good on the tournament. It's the first big tournament that I've ever fished in. Never do really good on big lakes. As y'all seen this morning, I only caught that little dinker. But hopefully, you know, we can make something happen. So stay tuned for that, guys. I believe it's gonna be the qualifier. We got to try to qualify top 40 to be in for the very last round. That's gonna be sometime late this year for a chance to win. I believe it's $1 million and truck, boat, all that kind of good stuff. So I mean, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good day. So hopefully we come in clutch with that. I'll be throwing that YotoWorm if I fall else on that thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Like the video if y'all liked it. Subscribe. I said we're gonna do another giveaway, probably a better one, but let's see if we can reach those 500 subscribers. 500, we'll do another giveaway, even better one. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Let's get those subscribers up.